Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Taylor Swift on her day off inspired makeup tutorial. She posted these photos to Instagram recently and I was just like, yes, mama, I need this makeup look in my life. I don't know why, I was totally just feeling the lip color and it just inspired me, so I went from there. This is a super quick, easy, simple makeup look that pretty much anyone could do at any skill level with any products that you probably already own. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. Today we're going to start out with my Aveda Mineral Tinted Moisturizer. This is basically just a tinted moisturizer. I'm just going to straight up apply this with my fingers, and I'm not gonna lie, this is not one of my favorite tinted moisturizers ever, but the whole concept is you want really light, natural, sheer coverage, so that's why I'm choosing a tinted moisturizer, and you also get the benefits of sunscreen, which is great. I always apply tinted moisturizer with my fingers because it's just easy. You're not going for full coverage anyways, so you don't really need to pack it on. We're just looking for that to even out the redness on my skin a little bit and just give a very, very light coverage. I mean, to be quite honest with you, looking at her inspiration photo, I don't even know if Taylor has anything on her skin, but this is what I'm doing. She's got nicer skin than I do. Now I'm going back in with my little baby Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just applying very, very teeny amount, just like that much underneath my eyeballs, and I'm gonna blend that in with my finger. This is a step you could probably totally skip if you don't have under eye bags to conceal, but I do have a little bit of discoloration that I'd like to cancel out. I bring a little down the bridge of my nose just to help kind of blend this whole situation together more. Now that we have all the coverage that I need, I'm going to go back with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm just going to lightly brush this all over my face to set everything. The Aveda Tinted Moisturizer is very, very luminous and almost too luminous for me, so I do like to go back and set that. All right, now I'm going back in with just a little bit of bronzer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. About this product from the Taylor here on YouTube. This is an exact dupe for Hoola Light, which I love, but I recently ran out of. So if you need a good dupe for Hoola Light, this is literally an exact dupe for it. Really feel like just a little bit of bronzer can help bring your face back to life. So since I did go through and cancel out all that redness, I wanted to bring back a little bit of color. All right, now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with my e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Taupe. Really difficult to see if Taylor has anything on her eyebrows because her bangs are covering her brows, but I always need a little bit of eyebrow, and this pencil is $2, so it's pretty great. Really feel like that just makes a world of difference, like night and day. And I'm just gonna run over everything I just did with this spoolie to kind of break it up and make it a little more natural. Now we can move on to the eyes. I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes. This is something I highly recommend doing to everybody. It just really helps open up your eyes more. Also helps me apply mascara a lot better because I have my lashes popped up and curled. Okay, great. Now that my eyelashes are curled, I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Demolition. I'm going to be using this to tightline today. Basically, you're just looking for anything that is brown. I'm trying to go more natural, so we don't want to shove a black up in here. But once again, just to show you, this eye is tight lined, this one is not. I really feel like it helps thicken up your lash line. All right, and now to follow suit, going back in with my Tarte Lifted Waterproof Brown Mascara. Again, it doesn't have to be this one. This is just the only brown mascara that I own. Any brown mascara will do. This is just gonna come off a lot more natural than a black mascara would. And just for fun, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit to my lower lash line. All right, now I'm going to apply blush. This is the Tarte Feisty blush color. In the photo I'm drawing inspiration from, it really just looks like Taylor Swift is cold. Doesn't even look like she's wearing too much blush, but since she is so cold and her cheeks are so rosy, I'm going to apply this, and I'm gonna focus more of it right up in this kind of front apple area rather than dragging it back how I normally do. I mean, I still obviously did it a little, but I'm gonna try and get more of that color right up front where your face would naturally blush. All right, and we are one step away from being done. Last but not least, I'm applying my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. Told us on Tumblr, that's a tongue twister, Taylor told us on Tumblr the other day that the lip color she was wearing in this photo is by MAC and it's called Back in Vogue. However, I already owned this lip color and it's an exact dupe for it, so save yourself some cash there. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look. No highlighter. I know, I'm shocked too. I think this is a super natural, wearable look. If I was getting ready in the morning, I could do this probably in 5 to 10 minutes. It would not take me long at all. I like that my natural skin texture is still peeking through and it's not like a full coverage, like beat your face kind of makeup look. I did wear this to work the other day and got a lot of compliments on my lip color. They wear off really evenly and they dry down to kind of a matte powder finish without being like desert mouth, which is great. So thank you all so much for watching and being here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're gonna try out this look, please let me know. That would make my day. I love you all. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to be, I put out new videos every single Wednesday and I would love to have you back here. Hope you're all having an awesome week so far and I will see you next time. Bye guys.